Want to learn how to fix your login error on a Litmatch app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So make sure to have a stronger one, or either you can turn off or turn on the Wi-Fi once again. The second one is to go to your App Store or Play Store just like me, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Litmatch and search for this particular app. You can see that I have an open option on the top right corner since I have already installed it. But sometimes you may get an option of update instead of open on the top right corner. Unupdated app could also be the reason of you facing the login error on a Litmatch. So make sure to make your app updated. The third one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you can clear the cache of your phone. Different cell phones could have different ways to reach there. If you have a phone like mine, you can scroll down and tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar, enter here Litmatch and search for this particular app. So here are 3 of the options on the bottom. That is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data on the bottom right, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. So just by doing it, you have just removed all of the cache related to the Litmatch app, which I have just removed all of the unrequired filthy junks. So make sure to use it. Tap on force stop on the bottom left corner. You can see that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But I would love to tell you one thing, that force stopping an app will completely and immediately end all foreground and background processes related to that particular app and help your app start in a fresh way. So tap on OK on the bottom right. So make sure to use it as well, because this could also help you fix your login error. The fifth one is to uninstall your app and reinstall it back again. For that, you can long press an app and drag to the point where you can get an option of uninstall. Tap on uninstall next to cancel and go to your App Store or Play Store once again and install this particular app. Reinstalling this app could also help you fix your login error, because reinstalling this app could also remove all of the unrequired filthy junks related to this particular app. So make sure to use it. The sixth and the final one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone could also help you fix a login error, because sometimes the running apps on the background could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So make sure to restart your phone. So I have just told you all of the 6 ways to fix a login error. I hope this works for you. Go and try all of them. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.